Why your McDonald's deals might not apply. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Why some McDonald's deals might not apply, as new deals are added to the McDonald's app regularly to give you a variety of choices and discounts. Deals are removed from the deal screen once they expire or have been used. So, if the date expires, you won't be able to find that deal and it won't work. And also, if you have already used them once, you won't be able to use it the second time. And also, customers must opt in the My McDonald's reward to access all deals and rewards that the McDonald's app has to offer. So make sure you logged into your account as well. So this is why your deals might not apply in McDonald's. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.